Good night. My name is Raúl Piñeres. I'm the semester telecommunication engineering student. Process of the creation of a logo. Step to create a logo. First of all, within the briefing is the most important phase, since it's essential to know exactly the value of the company or brand to define its logo, and that it transmits exactly the same identity. Secondly, a market study and analysis of the sector moves the carry out. The next thing will be to define some objective as specific and clear as possible. Inspiration. We enter the practical part. Sketch. We are already inspired. We know the messages we have to represent, and we have to get down to work. Digitalization. The next thing is digitalizing the shocking sketch in the vector design program, and once done, a typography is charged of the design according to the logotype, presentation, and logo test. When we reach the lab skills, we will finally know if we have successfully meet the customer needs. Stage of creation a logo. Values and purposes of the logo. A logo designed to not need to have implicit meaning. Process of creation. Creation of the visual attribute of the logo based on the briefing and after having observed the composition, color, shape, and composition. Process of selection. On the first sketch of the logo, we mature the proportional perfecting those aspects that have been less clear or discarding possible proposals that fail to reinforce the values we pursue. Process of distribution. On the definitive law have been determined, the design of the corporate manual is carried out with the different versions of the logo, the corporate starting element, and their application. Thank you.